Once again, welcome to this next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are simply going to create almost a similar program that we have created before, but in this case, we are going to change a few things so that we can see the difference. So let's start by commenting out what we have done in the previous by highlighting everything and then hitting Control and /. And now let us also clear the terminal so that we can have a good area for creating. And before then, we are going to save what we have done. So in this next tutorial, we are simply going to create two variables once more. And in this case, we are going to call our first variable x and give it a value of 8. We are also going to create a second variable and call it y and give it a value of 20. Then we are going to create a third variable, and in this case we can simply call it subtract, because we intend to subtract the y. We intend to subtract x from y, so in this case we can have y minus x. At least we want to find the value. And then, like in the previous cases, we are going to print out the output. So we are going to use the print function, and we are going to print subtract. So that is the variable that we have created. Like in the previous case, we are simply going to hit the Run button after we have created the program, and this is going to provide us with the output. So we hit Run the program, and in a matter of few seconds, we should be having the output with us in the terminal. In here it is just a few seconds, and here it is. Our output is almost, we are getting the output. So we have the output, and our output is 12. That is 20 minus 8 equals 12. This is what we have printed out in the terminal. Thank you. Once again, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel.